All right, so it's February 2nd. It is 6:37 in the morning. Let's go ahead and check the current temperature. Okay, so that's the outside temperature. Let's check the temperature inside of my tree enclosures. So we're ranging between about 44 and 50 degrees. And this is what the tree enclosures look like. So you can actually see the steam. Now remember guys, all I'm doing is running my well water. If you have well water, the ground temperature stays 72 degrees year round. Here in Florida, it does. Here in Florida. If you're up north, the ground temperature, the aquifer is going to be a little different. But here in Florida, unless you're probably at the north tip of Florida, but your water probably still is somewhere around 70 to 72 degrees. That's all I'm doing here is running my sprinkler emitters. Let's see if I can get under there without getting wet. You can actually see the water dripping right there. See that little blue thing in there? That's all I'm doing, and I have 3 of those in there. Wow, there's ice on the outside of this, actually. But what's cool is, if you look on everything else around me has ice. My truck has ice. Everything has ice. But because the temperature in here is warm enough, ice cannot form on top of these enclosures. It's too warm. Look at the steam. I'm not sure if you guys are picking that up, but there's actually steam coming out of there. So for the last 3 nights, all I've been doing is running my sprinklers, and I've been able to keep these enclosures between 45 and 50 degrees. This one has an actual commercial heavy-duty frost cloth on it with shrink wrap around it. And for you guys that didn't see, I've got posts in the ground, 4 poles that I hit into the ground with a pole tamper. So these are just fence posts in the ground on 4 corners on all these enclosures. And then this one has some greenhouse plastic. And then I shrink wrap this one also. Shrink wrap that one also, because it got really windy and my frost cloth was starting to come off. But we've been able to maintain safe temperatures. These are avocados and jaboticaba, and over there I have jackfruit, and I have on the other side I have jackfruit and mango. As long as you keep it above 33 degrees, you're safe. So we are perfect. We've been able to maintain at least 44 degrees on all enclosures. Awesome.